Hello everyone, on this video I'll be teaching you how to earn Shopee coins using Shopee Bills Payment. Please don't forget to like this video, share, comment, and subscribe if you're a first timer here. Let's start! Open Shopee app. Tap on Load Bills and e-Services. Tap Bills Payment. Tap Learn More. Tap Promos. So dito nyo makikita yung Shopee Coins Cashback Voucher via Pay Bills. Iba-iba siya. So minsan 100 coins, minsan 200 coins. Just like last Thursday, July 2, 200 Shopee coins yung nakuha ko. And then for now, it's 150 coins. So depende rin siya. So if you are a new user on Shopee Pay Bills, then pwede kang makakuha ng up to 250 coins. So for now, since existing user na tayo, gagamitin natin yung voucher code na to para makakuha ng 150 Shopee coins. So pindutin lang natin yung Use Now. Okay, so ito yung mga billers na pwede nating bayaran. Postpaid mobile. Meron tayong Globe, Smart, and Sun Cellular. And then under landline and internet, meron tayong Buy and Sell, Buy-Core One Network, Broadband Everywhere, General Telephone System Inc., Globe Broadband, Integranet Network Services, Now Corp, PLDT, Sitel Co., at Smart. Just want to touch base on this since it's one of the frequently asked questions. If you're paying Buy and Sell, PLDT, or Sitelco landline, sa identifier, it's 2-digit area code plus telephone number. So kung yung area code ninyo is 3 digits at may 0 sa unahan, tanggalin nyo lang yung 0 to make it 2-digit area code plus the rest of the telephone number. So for Metro Manila PLDT subscribers, lagay nyo lang 02 plus yung telephone number, okay? So I'll be paying my Smart postpaid subscription. Piliin lang natin yung Smart. Alright, so account number, 8 to 10 digit account number. So lagay lang natin siya rito. Just a reminder, this is different from your Smart mobile number. And then under identifier, ito yung 11-digit mobile number or your service reference number. So lagay lang natin yung mobile number natin. And then type the amount. So for this voucher to be valid, minimum is 800 pesos, but we'll be paying more than that. So make sure na pindutin nyo yung claim your vouchers here. And then i-claim nyo lang siya. Since na-claim ko na sila, grayed out na. Just a reminder everyone, depending on the biller, minsan real-time posting or may cutoff. So makita nyo naman siya sa baba. So specifically for Smart, the cutoff is 12 PM for the payment to be processed on the same day. You can also pay past due and disconnected Smart subscriptions. Also, duplicate transaction details for this biller will be accepted or allowed after 24 hours. So, kung babayaran mo tong same biller na to with the same account number and all information, then you will have to wait after 24 hours para gawin ulit ito. So, click natin yung continue. So, under payment option, pwede naman kayong gumamit ng ibang payment methods. Kaya lang, gagamitin kasi natin yung Coins Cashback Voucher. Kaya kailangan natin gamitin yung Shopee Pay. Pindutin lang yung input voucher code. And then select yung Coins Cashback na gagamitin ninyo. So piliin natin yung 150 coins. You can also redeem your Shopee coin. Don't worry, kung yung total payment amount is gonna be lesser than the required minimum for this voucher, which is 800 pesos. Okay lang yun, makukuha nyo pa rin yung 150 coins cashback or depende dun sa coins cashback na makukuha nyo. Alright, so pindutin lang natin yung pay now. So ilagay lang natin yung Shopee Pay PIN. Yan, so automatic na siya na mag-process. Yan, so from here you can tap on view order details. So just a couple of reminders everyone, just in case you want to use the coins for your purchases, I suggest that you check with your biller first, contact them via email, phone call, chat, messenger, or Facebook to see if the payment is already pending on their end. And if that's the case, then you can just click on order receive so that the coins will be available for use. Once na-verify na natin na pending yung payment sa biller's end or nag-post na at kailangan na natin gamitin yung coins para sa ating purchases, then we can tap on order receive para magamit na natin yung coins natin. Pindutin lang natin yung confirm. Then you'll see here that the order is already completed.